Where he's going?
See the mark, see the mark? There's a mark over there, bro. Somewhere in the damn globe.
Bro, this map is way too big, bro.
Come on, take your time. This real life situation.
Way too good.
Warzone, baby. Alright, let's go.
Okay, I'm gonna see you there in a minute. Huh?
Hey, I marked the scavvy already. You cannot see it?
I can see it, but it's gonna take me a long ass time to get there.
Yeah, so take your time.
Maybe 2 minutes.
No.
Nah, but
everybody's gonna be alright.
Damn, it takes so long to get down here, bro.
Chill the fuck out, Tito.
I wanna land in boom, 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 boom.
Hey, Green, there's a scabby on your side if you want to pick it up. But fuck it, I'm over here already. You know what I'm saying? I do that shit, bro. Alright, crap it, he's on your side, Purple. You better turn off your proximity chat. If we buy a Lodi, please have a ghost on your Berks. If you don't have ghosts, don't close to me, alright? Because when the UFV bob, know damn well they know where the fuck you at. Alright, come on. I guarantee after this gun loadout, we can buy a Lodi. Alright, go finish that.
Let me get that.
Go finish the scavvy, bro. So you can do something, Dito. You cannot see the scavvy? Oh my god, you cannot see the scabbies. That yellow thing right there.
Got you.
Alright. There you go. Alright, grab your gun and shoot. Now let's go buy a Lodi, guys. The buy station is right on us. Yellow, 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 yellow. Green, 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 green! Damn it!
Oh, watch me snipe.
I'm coming, black ass.
Alright, we're dropping our money right now.
Oh, bro, you black, huh? I knew it.
No, no, give me that shit. That's mine, man.
Over here.
Alright, the money is here, y'all. Whenever you guys want to make your little donation, you know, we would love to have it, sir. Come on, before somebody comes. This battle royale, it's not like we're gonna die and come back in 20 seconds, bro.
I need money. I need money, nigga. I'm broke as hell.
Damn, a nigga bring a car. Everybody in the lobby can see that car when it's moving. You have to put a trophy on it if you want to drive a vehicle.
Hey, yo, somebody pick up this cluster.
Alright, I'm getting my shit.
Bro, why'd you run me over, bro?
I'm getting the fuck out of that area because I know what's gonna happen. Come, the gas is gonna come this way to the hill. Everything's gonna come here. Sir, do you hear me? It's so funny when I can hear my voice.
Cool, can't shut the fuck up, man.
Oh my god, Ray. Ray, you know why you don't want to hear that? Because your mic fucked up and you're the reason why I hear my echo.
Shit, my bad.
Hey guys, bro, you cannot go over there.
Yo, I need some people.
Get out of the car, please. Oh my god.
Yo, Kosraean, shut the fuck up, nigga. I'm trying to do something.
Alright, go far away from us so they don't know we're here, bro. Like, we're trying to... This is where the zone is gonna end, okay? Watch. You have to go and stand by. Alright, Ruby, stand by over there in the top view. We have to be here before everybody so we can, you know? Alright, we got it. Spread out, y'all. We can snipe and everything, bro. Remember, there's people on the bottom. Quarry. So we're gonna stay here till it's over. Anywhere around here.
Bitch ass nigga, you should have told me to grab a fucking sniper.
Alright, you can use my sniper for a little while, man. Here, bro. And I save my bullets, okay? When you're done, you bring it back, okay?
That's for you, bro.
You use it for what the?
Yo, come up here on the tower, yo.
Hey, give me my sniper back. Your stupid snipers suck. Look at this stupid sniper, bro. What the fuck is this? Alright, I'm gonna stay on the tower. Somebody gotta stay up there. Hey, wait, let's just chill. Play professionally and win the game. Look at Green, watch.
With no dollar.
Watch. Green is gonna say, so, he down, bro, one shot. There's 3 of them. Hey.
Why don't we try to get a fucking, what?
Crown?
Hold on.
Alright, I'm getting the... somebody's here! You stupid as fuck, bro! You're getting the crown! Hey, pick me up! Fuck! Hey, my leg broke, right?
Hey, let's go down, boy.
Pick me up, please. Kill that crown!
Yep. Let me go get my sniper, yo.
Oh, you need to die right now. Did you see him? He's on the map.
Nah, just die, bro. You got it.
Oh, you thought you're gonna safe like a little bitch? Hell no. Hell no, pussy. Hey, remember, we gotta run up there. Buy ammo, and go up. Use codes, please. Use your sniper so you don't steal people's sniper.
Yo, buy me that sniper. I'm gonna use one of y'all snipers, yo.
There's a kill over there. I'm gonna buy ammo. More ammo.
I'm gonna get one of y'all snipers. Yo,
oh no, I have no more money. Please give me more money.
I like one sniper, boy. Who got sniper?
No, there's a...
I got one.
Sniper over. Come on, get some money, We gotta go back before people go up there. Give me money. I need the ammo so we can go up.
Hey, please.
Give me that shit.
Say please.
Right. Alright, fuck your money, man. I ain't no please and none of that shit. Alright, let's go. Let's go, bro. I got it.
Let me see. Let me get that rest.
You gotta go all the way back up, man. Remember, the sun is getting closer, man. Oh, Bree, where you at? Pre-day, pre-day.
Okay.
I hear you, you freaking random.
I hear some people, yo.
Yeah, we gotta go up. We gotta go up.
Gotta be on top left or something.
Go before we dead, motherfucker.
Go shy. I see him. Run.
No, stop
To your
lying,
right.
man. You gotta make us die.
You know.
Alright, that's where we have to stay, okay? Remember. We can look down, right and left. Alright. Hey, what, you guys good with the ammo?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Alright, there's people right here. Getting closer. They're on a
Where?
chopper, they can come. You can look at your scope far away over there. When the gas closer, there's a chopper over there, bro. Watch out, bro. This is green. Yo, Rambo,
Yeah, I need
bro.
ammo.
Bring your Rambo ass
the ammo,
over.
bro.
You gonna die. Alright, are you serious, bro? We're gonna use it now?
On the right.
See, that's what I'm talking about. Watch out, there's people gonna sneak up where we just came. On that side. You know? So you better watch out, man, please.
I better hurry up.
The gas is getting smaller. The gas is coming, bro. Get ready, get ready. The time has come to dead.
Stop fucking panicking, man.
You're gonna be paranoid, bro. Be prepared, Sergeant. Hey, why you stand like there, bro? You gotta hide.
Over there.
Yeah.
Bro, I am hiding, bro.
Somebody buy. Oh, bro. Stay there. Don't go. Wait. We gotta do the secondary plan, you know?
Bro, you're gonna die first, bro. I don't know what you're talking about.
25 to have no vision.
Gonna have to look for money again.
Chill, bro. We're not gonna jump down there. We're just gonna see what we can shoot. Spread out a little bit, guys. Please, side corner to corner. Find your good place to defend till you die, you know. I'm gonna trap this ammo at the. Oh my god, east switch. We gotta move to the other hill. Hey, let's go. Oh, ikle fast and gas. The gas change. You gotta switch. Come. I wait. We all go together.
And he's all the way over there. That's
You're gonna
crazy.
say that, then I'm coming past you?
No, I'm waiting over here in the rock where we can parachute all the way over there. No?
Oh, yeah.
Alright, keep going, man. Alright, let's go. You see? Use your parachute over there and you just come all the way to the motherland. Oh, no, watch out, not here.
Hey, what the fuck?
Y'all sliding down.
Come, that's the real area right here. Come, purple, come. Pink, yellow, come up. Don't go down, we gotta go up. Yeah, we gotta go up. Up, I'm talking about up.
Bro, the enemies can hear you, bro.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, shots on the left.
Take your time. Oh, shit, let me check. I see some movement. We gotta go over there, bro.
Where do you go? What do you have now?
Oh,
Wrong side. Just
You stupid ass rock. No stupid ass rock, right? Green, come, keep coming. Oh, you gonna climb that? I'ma clip that, bro. That's funny as fuck the way you try to climb the rock. Nigga, you get to climb over there. What the fuck you trying to do? What the fuck? I'm gonna keep trying like 1,000 times.
Oh.
You got frustrated on it. Alright. Stay still. That's the spot right here. That's the cracky crack. Alright, 12 teams left. Spread out, please.
Why you laying him down like this, man? Real unprofessional. But I'ma do it anyway.
What the?
Hey, where you going, Captain?
Come.
Oh.
I might not follow Captain no more, man. The Captain fucking up. Fucking up the circles, man. Hey, yo!
Oh, it's enemy.
Wait.
I'm telling you guys, move. Come here, please. Guys need to come here, bro. I swear.
I told y'all, bro. I told you a bitch ass. Yeah, I'm never fucking doing that.
Look, I killed somebody, bro.
Nah, fuck you, bro. You ain't getting me up. Get me up.
What? Do you mean I tried to make you get killed, bro?
Oh, they almost got me.
I'm trying to make a swing, y'all. Come over here, Cam. Let's stay on the rocks. I know the map. I know the maps. Yo, I know the map, bro.
Hey.
Oh my god. Look. I got ammo. Just come over here and relax. Take your shot.
He's broken.
You got it?
Yeah, you good. Defend. We're good. Oh my god.
He's down.
Alright, nice. Keep shooting. What? Another sniper. Break. Yep. Right there. He break. One more shot.
Oh damn, he's down there, bro.
Oh shit, where?
You're 189, 191. You feel me? Nigga, pick me up, bro. You're not Superman.
Motherfucker, it's right there.
Hey. That's too good,
Coming to you, bro.
We're going. That's where you fucked up. You die, motherfucker. Stop following me, bitch. I kill him. Oh shit! I kill him, but the other motherfucker killed me. Did you see? Bro.
Damn, I got killed.
You guys were like stack up, like, what the fuck? You thought you hiding in a restroom? That's a chunkle up there, y'all.
Yeah.
Alright, watch me win this, Tito. I'm gonna watch you first. Come, Tito, bro. Over here. Let me tell you something, bro. What's up, bro?
I'm gonna tell you something. Y'all in prison right now. So this is the police gonna find touch you. You ain't gonna do nothing about it. I think they started. Okay.
Oh, release. Nobody's gonna fight us. Alright, Tito. Wait.
Okay, bye bye.
Wait. Remember, there's a lot of people down there. Look, they're there, yeah.
Look at this drop, bro.
Alright, get the fuck down there and die, motherfucker.
Hey, you gotta buy me out.
Nigga, there's no story in the mountains.
Come on.
Oh,
Okay, there they
We
come.
still at the job. Head to the job.
I know they're here. We know already they're here.
work off, niggas. Shit.
Oh my god. How the fuck you?
Oh, it's that one.
Look at those niggas. Look at those niggas.
Just lay down and wait to die.
Man,
Just lay down and wait to die, bro.
You know what, you guys?
Sandwich,
Look, what
nigga.
did I say? Everything is gonna over here. You guys, because of your mic fucked up, bro. Fix your damn fucking mic, motherfucker.
Fucking up the circle.
Yeah, your mic like echo like a motherfucker.
Look to your right, nigga. You about to die. I'm telling you. To your right. To your right.
I don't wanna look. What if I don't wanna look right?
Alright. If you get assassinated now, he's
there,
standing to your right,
Right up
bro.
over you.
You just motherfucker.
Straight up.
Don't forget about the other niggas now.
Ah,
Movement even turned into.
fucking. Oh my god. Yeah, you guys belong to the Rebirth. Bring you guys ass back to Rebirth, bro. Yep.
Rebirth. Back to rebirth.
You see the way you guys eyed on that eel? You guys act like you guys eyed that prison shower. Oh, fucking right next to each other. What the fuck, bro? He's a big ass eel, bro. Like, that's why I tried to run far away and find my spot, and you guys thought that I tried to left you guys. Come on, man. I'm covering the hill so I can look down on the other side. But I was late. This motherfucker up there already. I catch the first one.
You see all that moving around, and you didn't see the enemies where they came from. Niggas was popping out and fucking you in the butt.
I mean, I'm gonna kiss you out, sir.
I mean, how many kills we have, sir?
Oh.
Yeah.
Pretty good.
Supposed to be working. That nigga's supposed to be working. That nigga.
We're headed to the war zone. Get cleared up and stand by.
Cam, do you have the multiplayer? Cam, bro.
Prep time's over. Now you can the war zone.
Alright, let's get it.
Where we going?
Resurgent.
Jerusalem.
Survive and your team will be
Like it, I like it.
Arbor.
Okay, Everson. Where do you think the game is gonna close?
Huh?
Where you wanna go now? Where you wanna go now? What do you
Wait,
think?
let's kill this guy. And what do you say? I just killed somebody, man.
Nothing.
I just killed somebody again.
Hey, where's the circle ending? Circle ending.
You want me to kill somebody again?
No, tell me where the circle's ending this time.
All the way on the factory.
Right here.
I got him, bro. Chill the hell out, man. Oh shit.
Should get a load out.
Well, let me crap the crown because I feel some type of way.
Hold on.
enemy UAV overhead.
Oh, it's gonna be complete. Alright, you can buy Lodi. There you go.
I load out, bro.
Damn, you can buy it already.
Got 10 squads active in the field.
Thank you, game. Thank you.
Loadout drop inbound. Your squad mates back on station. Good work.
Who marked this area? Man, nobody's here.
The area.
You don't wanna buy UAV? Kosraean, let me see your money.
No more money.
Right there.
Aguinaldo calling in UAV.
And right here. He's there.
Nice.
Who you are sitting?
Hey, they got me for car.
Never mind.
Pues, walang
Oh,
kia.
nice. Damn, I seen that. One hit. Okay,
You think you seen that, bro? No warning, you saw you got shot.
He's right there.
Check them.
I marked him. He's outside though. Not that fucker.
Turning you to the front. Early.
He's jumping.
Damn.
We gotta get somebody else.
You made the top 25. Well done.
Right here.
Nice, nice.
Back on station. Go get 'em.
Nice, Ray, no matter what.
Thank you very much.
You're doing a phenomenal job, sir.
Yeah, I'm on.
Don't worry, you're gonna come right now. I'm talking about right now. Somebody's up there with you. Yep.
He's on top.
It's shooting me, bro.
Oh, down there.
Oh my God, that's some
Good job,
movement.
7-7. Good job. Anything? It's okay.
He's down. He's down. I got one down. No,
That motherfucker's shooting behind me, bro.
oh no.
There's enemies here.
Yeah, I'm about to cry, bro. They kill us so many times. Maybe if one of us cry, they're gonna let us go, you know? No, help him. Stop coming behind me and shoot me, you fucking dickhead. Fuck you. Motherfucker, wait for us to fight and then he come. Fuck you, bro. Motherfucker, it's my own job.
Fucking right there, bro. Right there, bro.
My gonjo, bro. Motherfucker. Nice, easy kill, easy kill.
Yo, we
You
got
know,
fire
fuck that loadout. Fuck that fire zone, nigga. I don't give a fuck. Oh shit, sorry.
Fuck you mean?
Hey Ray, you like Cove Snipe? You have multiplayer?
Yeah, bro.
Alright,
Yeah, but I gotta go to work, though.
after this.
I got work though, nigga.
Yeah, nigga gotta go Walmart and he'd say go work. Man, you funny, bro.
Hostile airstrike incoming. Insurgents.
There's a star.
It's on.
Deployed UAV.
Yo, I need your money, yo.
Yeah, man, I got no money. People commenting on the buy. Let's get the fuck out of here. You gotta get out of there, cause you guys gonna get sandwiched. Alright, watch.
Hostile UAV in the area.
Yo, let me see your money. Money. Ah.
Right there.
We are so broke.
Yes. Oh, you fucking bitch.
Enemy destroyed. Use your tac map to hunt down the rest of them.
I would.
I mean, like,
Front of us. He's gone.
It's okay, guys. Don't be scared. I'll be back, okay? In 10 seconds.
Oh, I don't have a mask. That's insane.
Well done.
Oh, somewhere shooting.
Taking fire!
Oh, sorry. Everyone side.
I could use a medkit. Fine. Regular squad mates outside the safe.
We gotta go.
Yo, that's a miracle.
Hey, right there in the house, bro.
Enemy UAV is on.
Hey, right here, bro, in the back of us. Go.
Hey, why you say it like that, man? On the back of us.
Overhead. Buy station exploited. Nicely done. Discount is applied.
Oh my god.
It's okay, bro. Sometimes it's happen, man. No, I'm gonna buy you guys, but please don't die again, okay?
Time slot still
Okay.
away.
Right back. You can come back. Oh, no.
There's a lot of loot out here.
There's an airstrike available.
So you think you're gonna kill it and run away? Yeah, that's what we do.
He's on top, he's healing up his friend.
Fuck yeah, we gotta go
Yo,
up.
you can buy back. You can buy back. Buy back.
Oh my god.
Ooh, I get to come back. Come on.
No, you guys got it.
Take fire, bro.
Kill everybody, okay?
No,
10 remaining.
Good job, Bray. That's a fabulous move right there.
That's why you stay flat.
Gas is closing in.
Know what I mean? Some good try, man. Hey, Ray. Let's go snipe, Ray. Ray, let's go snipe, yeah? Ray, you like that? Cam, do you have moldy?
oh no, bro.
Oh my god. Ray, you wanna go snipe? Ray. You need to talk to me, Ray. 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 I relive, bro. Tito.
What's multiplayer?
Yeah, come on, man. Let's go snipe, me and you.
Man, we need more than 2 people, bro.
Invite then. Where's Sway? That's your friend. Oh, Lord.
Sign your boat? You sure? Sure. I have the honor to sign your boat. Whee! You know that's permanent, right? He don't give a shit. He don't care. I'm glad you let me go on your boat. You pay? I ain't even pay. Dude. Sign your boat? You sure? Sure. I have the honor to sign your boat. Whee! You know that's permanent, right? He don't give a shit.
I love you, Auntie. What Auntie doing? You make me happy. That's great. You make
Apparently there's an app that can...
Is your child glued to rope?
It's bad, buddy. You got Timu skill or what? You got mad testosterone, bitch. What the fuck? Yeah. Sound like a 13-year-old boy.
Eat my sticky winky little star.
Good shit, Zoe.
Oh, you scared the shit out of me, bro. Oh my god.
Oh, he is right.
Hey, Wookiee's on top of the boat.
Corner of
Wookiee's on the boat.
shield.
Boathouse.
What to say? I killed him. If you get a B, he's sitting in this corner with the right shield. Okay.
Also, there's one in the boathouse. But also, be careful. There's still another person there. He's gonna come behind you.
Oh!
I told you, bro. I told
Look at
you.
this one. Kill it.
Who is it? Let's see who it is.
It's Lila.
Yeah, bitch, eat it. I got more tax than all of you.
You sound just like her.
Nah, man, she's more like this, bro.
Tail lift.
Damn, that's all I'm missing here.
You cheated.
Get out of
you
that
cheated.
Yeah, I turned on my hacks.
Cheating.
Yeah, I turned on my hacks.
Cheating.
Remember you reported us for hacks?
Cheating,
Yeah, that's
cheating.
what I used. Stupid bitch. She's mad as fuck. Hey, good call out.
Yeah,
That was a
she
great
is.
call out. B, push your back half. Kill them.
Alpha.
Kill them
I got bomb.
Well, if they're pushing boathouse.
Hey, I'm planning Alpha.
Copy.
Planning alpha.
Copy.
That's full.
Oh, you guys let me down. Thanks, guys.
I'm lucky.
Yeah, sorry, I tried to fucking save you, bro.
Why don't you gonna talk shit?
Zoe, why you always carrying everyone, bro?
Yeah, you're always on fire.
Damn, that bitch is so mad, like, what the fuck?
I'm probably more, no offense guys, but I'm probably more in shape than their whole team over there.
Top A.
Back at his phone. Baby. Last one, hey. Nice.
Alright.
Well, let's go back out again, bitch. Put your line on your pussy.
Got his ass.
Dang.
3 plugs for what? 3 plugs for what?
Bitch probably got a big ass clit.
Hey, yo, for real, it stinks like shit, bro.
The clip.
Bitch asshole.
Fuck out of here. Thank you. No.
Ah! Sorry. I killed myself last person.
Yo, let's plant that bomb. Oh. They're right here.
I'm actually defending. Oh, they're on our spawn.
Jeez. Good shit, Zoe.
Jeez. Oh, good game, Zoe.
Lilith, delete the game. Get our very blocks, bro. You fucking trash.
GG, Zoe.
Shut up, big clit. Your ass.
You shut the fuck
the
up.
fuck
You're a
up.
bottom piece of shit. 2 and 3. 2 and 3.
Man.
Why you say my stat? I'm not the one who talks shit.
Yeah, man, that shit burns me up.
I'm actually trying to defend you though, bro.
All that fucking testosterone injecting to herself.
But I'm not the one, you know.
Just put that shit right through.
At this point, I don't even think that's the chick, bro.
Fuck that motherfucker. I don't give a fuck.
Hey. Let's get out of here, bro. I'm tired of kicking this out, bro. Let's get out of here, bro.
Bro, you got 2 kills last game. You ain't kicking shit. The only thing you're kicking is fucking cans down the street, pussy.
I had 7 kills. I have 9 kills. I have 13 kills. More
You
than
also have a
you
shrimp
fucking
dick and a
trash.
sore asshole, huh?
And you got a small dick.
You sound manly as hell.
Yeah,
And you don't. And you fucking don't, bro. That's crazy.
She got beard, yo. She got beard,
You
yo.
trying to be a man so bad.
She got
You wanna be a
beard.
man
She
so
got
bad.
beard.
How you a dyke and you still get no bitches? What the fuck?
What?
I bet you this bitch dressed like a whole ass man.
Oh yeah. She probably still wears the fucking long tees, bro.
She wears fitted hats and dad hats. Camping the top of
She
the
got so
fucking
pissed off,
spawn.
bro. Oh my god, just killed her, bro. She got mad.
Anyways, I'm gonna run a different gun.
Yeah, last one's in their spawn building.
Yeah, he's camping with a fucking riot shield and a pistol. 2-1.
Fuck it, just wait for him.
Yep.
I think you just saw him, Kai. Yeah. I think he jumped out in that little crack.
Don't even push him.
Oh,
he's still up there, his bitch ass.
Yeah, he's up
Jump
there.
down. Jump down. He jumped down.
Oh yeah.
Right there.
I'm calling you.
Ooh.
I almost ate that
Nice.
shit.
Nice step
Good
back.
shit.
Well, now it's going
That's that's Iverson type
Good shit,
shit.
guys. Leland, what happened, Leland?
Where'd you go?
We got muted. We got muted.
That's Iverson type shit, y'all.
Dude, she muted my ass from last game, bro.
Oh, it took her long enough. We can't let her wait because then she's gonna be talking all that shit.
Spawn. Oh shit. They pushed up from garage. Ready?
Not you, bitch.
Oh, never mind, you got him, you got him. Spawn. Double door. One in the back of their spawn.
I'm gonna tell her to hang it up.
Watch out, he's on the barrel.
Lying down can't be your spawn.
How you spell Lilith?
Why are we pushing?
L-I... How you spell
Why are we pushing their spawn?
T-H?
I-T-H.
L-I-L... I think you spelled it wrong, bro.
I-T-H.
L-I-L.
Kazia on your right, Kazia. L-I-L-I-T-H.
L-I-L-T-H? No, I'm not gonna do it. I don't got time for that.
L-I-L-I-T-H. Just wait till the round's done.
Tell her to hang it up.
Brother, you literally just have to see that shit.
Yes.
Lilith.
Yeah, it's still up there.
I'm having problems, okay?
1, 3. You guys are just giving them the kill streaks, bro.
That's right. What the fuck?
30 seconds remain.
Got 2 more.
2 more?
3.
3? Oh shit, okay. I'm gonna go B.
Oh, good call. No way. No fucking way.
Hey, what are you doing? I got fucking too busy in the spawn, dude.
Got
Too busy in
hang
the
it up.
spawn.
Nice. Some good stuff.
Oh, where? Why did you run so far away from bomb, bro?
Woo! Almost got me.
There was 2 shooting.
Good shit, buddy.
Last one. Playground, their spawn just drop bomb. It's the last one. 5-1 right now. Yeah.
No way, bro. That easy?
Stick to that bomb.
You said last one. I was hiding back there while you say last one. Man.
Yo, it's so quiet over there. Suck it up. In caps. She's fucking mad.
Yo, dog, give me something to suck up.
Oh, mother.
She's laying at the outside of fucking... She just spawned.
Ooh.
Spawn. There's 2 Baba.
Oh, what the?
Talking about us. Nice shot, dude.
But look, get a mic, bro. Your mic sucks. Stop typing. We'll send you money so you can get a new one.
That's why you're muted. I don't think that's why we're muted, Lilith.
And
One tunnel. It's Lilith. She's going garage. Going garage right now.
I don't know about
There's
that.
one Blue Creek side. One on your left, FSM.
Oh my god,
Hey, what are you
bro.
doing, guy?
Going 8 alley. Two 4.
No.
Oh, bomb drone. Fuck.
Well, he's coming up on the tunnel. Bomb drone's coming.
He's like, fuck it, let me try to get this defuse.
Yeah.
That was a good try.
Oh, hey Lilith, you're finally doing something.
She mad, she mad.
I can do that too. I can just put stars randomly as well.
Okay, you could have melee.
Oh, that was my bad, bro.
Another bomb drone.
Oh, you fucked me. Nobody wanted to ping it, whoever was dead?
It's up 3v4.
Oh, there. The guy with the bomb drone's lying down right on my ping. There's bomb drone. Bomb drone's coming for you. And that guy's at the back there. There's one lying
He's up
down.
there, bro.
Fucking trash, dude.
Yeah, he's been there the whole game, bro.
That guy's still up there too.
So 1-3. May as well kill yourself. Good thing around you.
I'm gonna sit back in the spawn, bro.
Waste the fucking.
Oh, even Lilith's in the spawn.
Yeah, they all are.
That guy's still up there watching.
Down to your right, down to your right. The guy that was on the drone was lying down here.
Oh, what the hell?
Yep, still there.
I told you.
I told you.
You did. You did.
Did I not ping it?
You did.
God damn.
Busy.
I think Lily's fucked up, bro.
Busy.
Laying on your whiskey if you're good, bro.
This is why Lily shouldn't drink, bro. She's too damn drunk. I'm gonna go set up a fucking camp here.
I'm gonna come plan B.
Top A, please.
Top A, okay. Oh shit.
He's just sitting on the stairs.
I'm going B. Dropping bomb on B.
1 A stairs.
I'm gonna surprise Lily.
A tunnel. Tunnel side.
I
Barbershop.
already killed her.
Yes, sir, Matar.
2-2.
How did I miss that shit? Keep barking my name.
Keep barking my name.
Yeah, look, she's just camping on it. Sitting on the rubbish on A and B alley. It's a 3-4.
Oh, I got killed by Lily.
It's a 1-4.
Cause they leave the car
I
out.
did too.
I didn't know you were there.
Top. Yeah.
Lilith's pushing spawn. Yep, she's back there.
They got UAV up too. Yeah, she's
Left,
at the
left,
tunnel.
left.
Nice. 1, 2.
Oh my god. Like, they don't know.
Lilith is finally doing better, bro.
Yeah, right?
After 3
Putting work
games,
finally.
bro. Camping pussies, and that's how she killed us. That's crazy.
What gun is she even using? She using Superior?
Nah.
No, I'm not even using
Oh,
Superior.
okay. I was gonna say, you can't.
Ah, she died. Oh, what? I couldn't see your name. Back of they spawn. They got recon, Joe. That's some bullshit.
Wow, camping in the corner of garage. What a fucking pussy.
That James coming to ping you.
Fucking pussy. They're starting to put bombs on the drones.
There's 4 up.
Okay.
Nah, they're all in the back of this spawn.
It's alright.
Legit, just camp on bomb.
Door just open, cause you are
Garage door.
Kosraean.
Behind you.
Garage door, watch garage.
Oh. Hey, it's up in the window where I just died.
Is he in apartments or is he in top A?
Yeah, the
Apartments,
apartments. Be careful, he's already looking down for you.
He's over here. Yep.
Oh shit, there's one above you.
Hey, Q, yeah, he would've fucking dumb. He would've smelt that shit. He would've smelt that chat.
Yo, he literally looked at it, bro.
Llama a la mamá si quieren.
Okay, I'm gonna put a camera on A. Actually, I want to put a camera on.
Motherfucker just...
Left side
Come
by
on,
the
you fucking
crates.
bitch, close the door.
He's by the blue crates right now. It's the last one. By the blue crates.
Where's the blue crates at?
He's running towards garage.
Light ping.
Yep, in garage now.
Don't you want me, baby?
Oh look, it's Silent Fox again.
Do you want some maple sausage, baby? All over your lips? Oh, yeah.
What?
What the fuck?
I want some maple sausage.
Inside computer room. Computer room.
Lilith is going barber right now. Barbershop. In barbershop. FSM. In barbershop.
Kosraean, watch your left. Kosraean, watch your left.
Push your left, FSM.
To your left.
Yep, in there.
Yeah.
He's on the back end of this building somewhere, and there's one in front of this spawn.
3-3. Bombs on A.
I'm
One's
gonna
at
smoke
computer
the
room.
fuck out of Lilith.
One's on A.
To your left. To
Show
your left.
yourself,
Yeah,
bitch.
watch your left.
Laying down inside the...
2-2.
Good,
They
good.
got eyes on bomb.
Top A, top A.
Yeah, in there.
What side? Shit.
He was on the stairs, so.
That's fine. I'll go, bro.
What's on B? Yeah.
No.
Why not?
You can, but
Okay, I'm gonna
pretty
play.
Let him
sure
play his
it's
game. Let him play his
camping.
game. You do what you feel like you need to do, bro.
I died there and there's phone line down on it.
Kosraean, I need you to...
Left.
2-2.
Oh, dude.
On bomb, on bomb.
Yeah, bottom garage.
Y'all are dog shit.
Oh,
Get that fucking ninja defuse. That's crazy.
Oh, she's talking now.
Oh, she's talking now. She's talking now.
Yeah.
I just didn't want to hear your fucking annoying ass voice. You sound like a bunch of little girls.
Yeah, I bet you do.
You're like,
We
go
clearly
apply
see
your
that.
test prop.
Girls, a little girl.
I said to your left. I didn't see him.
I know that's my bad.
No, you good.
I thought you were talking to somebody
So
else.
this is
That bitch is trash.
down.
Nah, that makes me mad, bro, 'cause now she got the last laugh. Stupid bitch.
Yeah, she had minutes, so
Fuck
she
that
can talk.
bitch. We beat her like what, 2 times before she beat us?
Yeah.
Well, she really got carried though. She didn't do shit.
Word.
But she did absolutely nothing, right?
Yeah, the wacky waving arm flailing inflatable tube man wasn't doing a lot of waving.
Pineapple.
Pineapple, pull out. Who?
No, it's
Outside?
pretty wide.
What do you mean he was tweaking?
Shut your pumpkin lily ass up.
At the pink house? Oh yeah, that's the one that bitch said that her brother was a crackhead or whatever, so he's probably out there tweaking.
Damn, that's sad.
Oh yeah, he's out. He's part of Al Clan. Bitch.
Yeah, I think that Ghost Wookie is actually hacking.
That's not them.
He might be. It's possible.
Which
But
one?
he's sniping people across the map with a pistol.
Oh, I can do that.
I'm in this phone.
It's 4v3.
In B. Outside of B now, around the AC units. In middle. To your right, Kaipu.
Shit, I just came in. Fire, bro.
There you go.
I missed my shot.
Oh, of course Lilith's dead.
Yeah, she was the first one to die.
Interesting form.
Oh my god.
It's very unorthodox, but I like it.
He's up top.
I'm gonna plant that alpha. To your left, to your left.
Tiptoes.
Fuck!
There's 5. That's 3 dads in that. How you have 5 kids and 3 baby daddies? That's disgusting.
Don't you want me,
Get the fuck out of
baby?
here. That's nasty.
Don't you want me?
Watch him looking like hot as fuck. Not today, pineapple. Oh, you guys got pineapple?
What? Behind the tank. What the fuck is that shit? I have marked him 3 times. Fuck this.
Upstairs.
Yeah.
Damn. Left side.
Bombs on me.
B side.
Bombs on me. Bombs on me.
East side. One up top and one below.
Bombs in tunnel. Bombs in tunnel. Bombs in tunnel.
Okay. God damn it, wrong fucking class. Son of a bitch. He's down there next to bomb. Or not next to bomb, to your left, Bateau side. To your left, to your left, to your left. Good job. Where to reclaim it?
Oh, he went through A.
Tosa, you almost lost your life, bro.
He's getting bomb. He's getting bomb in tunnel. In tunnel.
Shit, Bateau side.
Good call out, whoever said tunnel.
Tinello.
I said it like 3 times, I think.
I was gonna say,
Yeah,
bro,
he
not
did.
listening.
I was listening. I was just not talking.
I was gonna say, cause you still got him, but yeah, called it out for you.
What's the bomb from?
On the back of their spawn.
Hey, Lilith's right next to you, FSM.
Top of heavy. Top of heavy. Going towards top server, yeah.
Behind you if it's him. She might have jumped off.
Yeah, fuck that bitch up.
Yeah, she did. Oh, he did. We went back to our spawn.
How many left?
Oh. Yeah.
I don't know if I'm gonna try Superior now. I'll try Superior. Oh, they've seen us.
How are you not dead? What the fuck? There's 2 of them there. There's one behind the box. I don't know if it's
Behind the what?
dead or not. Or she ran in. She ran in. Oh, never mind. That's the dead fucking button. They need to make those disappear.
God damn it, bro. Fucking camera, you stupid bitch. Can I pick that bitch up? Guess not.
3-3. One up top,
Where's she at?
mid.
Top.
Yeah, right above FSM.
Behind you, Kazuya.
Above
Behind
you,
you.
Kazuya.
Top heavy, yeah.
Yeah. To the left.
There's one on AC as well.
Nice.
I know you saw that.
Damn, y'all luck running out, ain't it? Bit.
That bitch, man.
I'm about. About to turn up on this stupid bitch.
She's in the middle. Tunnel. She's in tunnel, bro.
I'm waiting for her to pop out.
Saw them already on the
Yo, I got hit markers? What
Dumbass.
the fuck kind of shit is that?
I wasn't even fucking hitting her, bro.
Down to your left. If it's him.
Watch your back.
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh! Blind, I'm sorry. My hell no.
Hell yeah. That shit ain't gonna change either, bitch.
Yo, her asshole stinks, bro. Like,
Nah, somebody needs to stretch that shit out, teach her a lesson.
stink ass booty hole. Shut the fuck up. That's it, bitch. This thing like this, bitch.
That's what you call uneducated, my boy.
You go, Mighty?
Yep.
How did I not get her, bro?
Where is she?
She's pushing back to her spawn.
One just went B window. Unless that was us.
Yeah, that was us.
Yeah, I fucking heard glass break.
Hey, she's back in her spawn, bro.
Copy. Where?
Later, be
Hey,
there.
I don't know, she was running out tunnel last scene.
Oh, she's lying down in tunnel.
Oh, okay.
On drone.
Go both ways.
What? None of those bullets hit
Oh, you
her.
got her, you got her. That's the same, you're good, bro.
She's dead.
Oh shit.
It's just the last person.
Line that shit up. You almost drowned.
Anyway, she can't
Oh, that's
kill me,
crazy.
guys. Lying on her fucking pussy.
Make her tap out. Tap out. Baby.
Yeah, 2 kills.
Ooh. Ooh.
Two kills.
Ooh.
Yo, this nigga's here singing, not even talking shit. And this bitch is like, yeah, 2 kills? Like, what the fuck? Nobody's talking to you. Just an angry, bitter bitch.
Oh
She's right there with
my.
you. Never mind, I got it.
Bro, that's all they know how to do.
Hey, this Superior ain't doing shit, bro.
3 versus 3. 4. 4 versus 3. Yeah, there's 3 of them. No, watch out.
Appreciate it.
Where?
I think he's near
Some
10
tank.
left side.
Nice. Yeah, he's pro.
What?
2, 3 in water. There's one in water.
He was in water?
Yep.
In front of server. He's going upstairs to the catwalk.
That guy that just killed the teammate. Awesome.
Yeah, this one, he was right up here. Yeah, he's up there. I don't know where he went. There isn't time, I don't think. Yeah,
No
I
time.
have to kill him.
You're not fast enough.
Maybe it's above you. There's a fucking claymore behind you.
Yeah.
He's gotta be upstairs.
Ooh. It's all good.
Surprised you don't hear the Chihuahua barking.
For real. Alright, I need something that's got firepower, bro.
Oh man, I fucking threw that by accident. Lilith is upstairs. Whoever's up top, I'll respond. Another.
Hey, what?
Should I bet?
Fucking ride the butt crack! Oh.
Explode!
Nigger,
I mean, there's Mexicans. Run! Behind you, Mexicans!
He's dead. They called us out? Or is our teammate?
There's a lot of Mexican coons out there, you know.
Shut up, you beaner!
Mexican
Coons out there.
Stop talking to me!
Stop saying that shit, bro. Fly over there and knock you the fuck out,
These
bro.
fucking wall monkeys.
Knock you out, nigger. Nigger, I'm gonna steal your chicken and gravy.
Tell me where you at. Tell me where you at, bro. Cause you wanna be racist and shit. Nigga, that shit's cool.
Nigger,
That shit ain't cool, bro.
take your chicken. Alright, Beaners, we're gonna steal his chicken. Beaner, we're gonna steal his chicken and grape soda, okay?
Got a coon for a girlfriend.
We're gonna steal the chicken and the grapes, okay?
Glitch.
Yeah, no.
We're stealing chicken and Kool-Aid.
Why you fucking rapping?
He's got greasy controllers too, you know?
No, we're stealing it. I'm not stealing it from you.
Yeah, shut up, Peter. We don't want your tortilla chips. Shut up. Your plain ass chips. Fucking Beaner, shut up.
No tortillas.
No tortillas. We don't want your shit.
Yeah, what kind of dumb fucking teammate just fucked up shooting me?
You know why niggers eat pork? Cause the shit's cheap. Eat chicken.
That was true as fuck, too.
Cheap ass chicken.
Shut up, Beaner. We're not talking to you.
You know what, niggers eat pork because it's cheap.
Ain't no fucking steak in that motherfucker. Niggers don't know how to eat steak.
I'm fucking killing you next time. I don't give a fuck.
Pork and chicken.
Oh, I'm getting mine food.
Cheap ass shit. I got some pork and chicken, man. I want to eat that. Fucking dick.
These 4 pounds of pork cost me $1.45.
Fucking bitch. Fucking bop, man. How'd you kill that
This
chicken,
whole
man?
pork shoulder cost me 50
Ain't that
cents.
bitch fucking faggot. Big fucking black dick.
No, Mike.
Pork chicken.
Whoa. Whoa.
Fucking pigs and shit for your fucking bacon.
Pork chop?
Eat your fucking pigs and bacon.
And it's fun? Oh, yeah, see, nigger.
Like,
Nigger.
what are you gonna do, bro? What are you gonna do if I pull up in your crib with a fucking blow, fucking ready to crack your shit out your head?
I'll box you out for KFC.
I'll play
No
with
more
my
nigger chicken.
Come, bro.
Let's fight, nigger. Hey, Beaner, I didn't ask you to join my fight. Shut up.
I don't do it.
I
do not care what you ask me to do.
There's 2 of them in the middle.
Yeah, that's your second
fuck you.
bitch. I can't wait till you do it again. Pussy cunt. Here's another 2.
Dirty stick.
I know what you get to me, bitch. Yeah, that's why you got the bottom, bitch.
Hey, I'm gonna take your salsa.
It's illegal and join back and kill you again.
Oh,
I'm gonna take the pork off your apartment, monkey.
Taco Bell, bitch. Shut up.
Fucking worthless bitch.
Shut up, fucking Taco Bell.
Shut up, monkey. Card underneath the work boots.
Taco Bell.
I'm about to go ask your mom for some more crack money.
Go get your
Fucking
insurance,
Taco
bitch.
on your head.
Broke ass bitch.